Hello student, good morning. Today we discuss about the class 6 general knowledge lesson 12 famous Indian institutions. In this video we have studied about the different types of institute, but before that we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. Now see first homework. Now all student, you have take copy and pen. Now write homework. Now I am solving the homework. Those are given in 9th July. Lesson 10 Green Movement. Name the following. First, a green movement against a hydroelectric dam project was initiated in the year 1973 in the Palakkad district of Kerala. Right answer is Save Silent Valley Movement. Save Silent Valley Movement. Next, second number. This movement was a non-violent forest conservation movement which began in the Uttarakhand in the year 1973, and this movement is a very famous movement about forest conservation. Which movement? Yes, Chipko movement. Chipko movement is a very famous movement in Uttarakhand, and this one started in Uttarakhand district, and main leader is a very famous leader, Sundarlal Bahuguna. Third, the movement was revolved by the tribals of Singhbhum in Bihar in 1982. Which movement? Yes, right answer, Jangal Andolan of Singhbhum. Jangal Andolan of Singhbhum. Now question number 4. This movement was started by the locals of Shimoga district of Karnataka. Shimoga district situated in Karnataka state. And which movement started in Shimoga district? By locals, villagers. Apikko movement. Now question number 5. The movement was initiated in the year 1985 against the government project to build the large Sardar Sarovar Dam on the river Narmada. And right answer is Narmada Bachao Andolan. And you know that a great leader, those are related to this movement, Narmada Bachao Andolan. Who? Yes, guess. Yes, Medha Patkar. You have write this homework in copy in proper way as the name the following. I will send this homework as a PDF file. So all of you have write in proper way, and I remind you, please in comment box you have write name and section in comment box for your attendance. Many students view the videos, but only few students send the name and class and section in comment box. I request you, please send name, class and section in comment box. This is very important for your attendance. Okay, in this chapter we have discussed about the different institute. Now see one by one. First, Indian Institutes of Technology, and this one also is short form known as IIT. You know that IIT is a is the highest, the very, very prestigious institute in India as well as in the world. And this institute situated in many cities like Indian Institute of Technology in Madras, Institute of Technology in Mumbai, Indian Institute of Technology in Kharagpur. Now see one by one. These are autonomous institutes of higher education, technical. Here, technical means engineering. Okay, spread across India. Here, many IITs or engineering colleges are spread all over the India. First one was inaugurated in 1951 by Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, and they are India's premier institute for engineering. This one very, very you can say first, and this is a very highest level engineering college. As the 2019, there are 23 such institute in India. A such type of institute means Indian Institute of Technology, IITs, and such type of institute are near about in our country. There are 23 such institutes in India. Okay, most of the the famous IITs: Mumbai, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Mumbai, IIT Kanpur, and other also famous. Okay, now next, Indian Institutes of Management, IIM. You know that this one also very famous, and IIM situated in Ahmedabad and other cities also located. These are a group of institute of management, education and research in India. Okay, the established of this institute was initiated by our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as of 2019. On the basis of 2019, on the report of 2019, there are 20 such institutes in India. There are AIMS means that IIMS, okay, Indian Institute of Management, situated, such type of institute situated in our country near about 23 such institute in India. And all that IITs, IMS is, this is very, very highest level education. And next one, All India Institute of Medical Science, AIMS. You know that AIMS is a very famous medical college and research center, and this situated in New Delhi. And you know that celebrities and top leaders, when they face any problems like health problems, then they go to AIMS. Okay, and these institutes are a group of autonomous government public medical colleges, and the first one was established in New Delhi in the year 1956. First in 1956, AIMS are established in New Delhi. 12 of these institutes are already established across India. In all over India, near about 12 institutes, and many more are proposed in the forthcoming years. And many other more also, AIMS college also proposed in fourth year, other near next years they establish. AIMS is a very prestigious medical college. Now next, National Institute of Fashion Technology, NIFT, National Institute of Fashion Technology. This institute was established under the aegis of Ministry of Textiles, in the year of 1986. This institute is specialist in 1986 and is a group of fashion colleges across India. In total, there are 16 campus imparting knowledge on fashion designing. Here across the India, near about 16 such type of institutes situated in India. These are the very highest level institute. Next one. Now next institute is Film and Television Institute of India. This famous institute is located in Pune. You know that Pune city also known as Film City. Okay. And the alumni from this institutions have gone on to become a famous actors, directors and technicians. It was established in the year of 1960 and this institute was established in 1960 and the member of CILACT, a world famous organization of leading school of films and television. And you know that this institute also known as a Film and Television Institute of India. This one also famous for the film and televisions, and they provide great actors, famous actors, directors and technicians. Now next, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. This institute also famous for the space science. This institute established in the year of 2007. When? In 2007, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology established. Thiruvananthapuram, you know that Thiruvananthapuram is a capital city of Kerala. This institute is Asia's first space university. It offers various diplomas and degrees in an area of space science. They also provide the many research as well as diplomas and degrees in space science. And this space institute, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, situated in Kerala. Now all student, you have take a copy and pen. Now write down the homework of lesson 11, famous Indian institutions. Date 14th July. A exercise. Where are the following famous Indian institute located? Give state's name also. Give state's name. First, Indian Institute of Technology, Chennai. Give the state name where this institute is located. Second, Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. Third, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS. Fourth, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Bengaluru. Fifth, Film and Television Institute of India. And sixth, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. You have write the city name as well as state names where these Indian institutes located. You try to solve this homework in copy, and next day in next video I will solve this homework, and also I will send the PDF file of this homework. So before that you have tried to solve this homework, and I remind again all of you, please send name, class and section in comment box for your attendance, so always keep in mind. Thank you. God bless you.